Hey guys, welcome back to the next YouTube video. Today, I want to talk about one topic. But most people, me feel say, from me small tell now, me feel say most people get it wrong. Yeah, in the ring about it, I'm going to talk about relationships. But the type of relationships me I talk about, I want them in a Jamaica.
Oh, hell no!
So people, say nothing normal. Because say Jamaica is not a normal place. So anything when you're in Jamaica, it's not normal. So remember, big up on yourself, like, comment, share, and most of all, subscribe. So alright, let's dive into it. So you don't know, so relationships consist of two people, you see me? Two people who are dedicated to each other, who love each other, care for each other, etc. Until they decide to marry. That is a good relationship. They have bad relationships, you see me? People not care and thing. But in Jamaica now, we have our own versions of relationships. You see me? So me dive into a couple of versions them. Well, one, I got the type of relationship where a man or a woman see a woman for the first time or see a man for the first time. All they need is, hi, how are you? My name is Ken. And she said, my name is Gina. All of a sudden, Ken or Gina believes, yo, I'm boyfriend and girlfriend that we they know because we call to each other.
Mandela!
Like, really, people? That happen high while in Jamaica, especially with younger people. There's one called there one time. Hey, a man, hey, a woman, we in something. So you always get the wrong impression. You see me? Two, we have relationships where some either one of the couple always apologize. Babe, say when you mean to sleep with the best friend still, say it's a one time thing. Few moments later, babe, your other friend they just look good, babe, and they just have to sleep with her. Say me not do it again, say you don't trust me. Next week, I want next one that. You see me? And the same thing goes to human them too. You have 10 type of relationship there. And then you have a relationship where one person just not left no matter what. You come, yo, them man, I'm going to talk with me about another. Someone say, yo, move on now. You know, say that me want do. Few moments later, yo, them man, she come back hard now. I care about her things. I feel like there's something wrong in her head. And people are hooked on her. Like, seriously?
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not going to speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
You see me? I said to the girl and go to her friend. Massa, boy not talk give me bun. What me fi do? Stacy say, yo, leave the boy. Yeah, no say that me how do. Watch to the nam pass. I later told them go buy ice cream. Still there in a relationship. Some people just not go leave. No matter what. They not care. For real, man. And then again, have a next type of relationship. That one kind of bad still. The one where either he or she always a cheat. No matter what. Just burn them say. You see me? I see she want next man. I'm a friend. I think she want next girl. Yes, I'm a friend no a long time from high school days. So why are your friends so close? No man, that's how we live, man. Always a cheat no matter what. And then yet they still want to come back to them partner and see how we still not something. You see me? Always cheating. So but me just can't understand why still. If I find somebody we love, he or she got everything. Unless you why you must cheat. Unless somebody where they with lack of something. Or I don't know, but people have their diverse reasons, but Jamaicans enough have a reason. They look nice. So me have a chat to her. And then again, you have the insecure relationship. Everybody, you want everybody there. See, I walk with the mother. And you know, girl that. Yeah, girl. You can't tell me nothing and say, on your girl. I tell a female, a man them. Oh, I say I heard, man. I say I heard, man. Where yourself, you know? You see. Where yourself, man. Say a man, no. No. My girl, I tell him, but babe, I'm daddy. Which daddy, me a idiot? You tell me some me a fool. Even if my brother see me in a business, in jealous, insecure, always insecure. You see me? These are the types of relationships most commonly in Jamaica. You see me, have people insecure, people eyes that cheat. You have people just see the first time I yarn them the out of blues. You see me? And then things are going to Jamaica people. So people, this was just a short video. Just wanted to make talk about relationships in Jamaica. So see you in the next video. Love you all.